Hi, Lisa from Less Stuff here on a rather overcast Bristol day. I'm going to talk to you about these BeeBee Wraps. They call them beautiful reusable beeswax food wraps, and they are beautiful. They're organic, they're made in Hampshire, and they're really rather pretty. What I like about them is they're so bright you're not going to miss them in the fridge. So the big one, this is my bowl that I make bread in. The idea is that you can just gently mould them with the heat from your hands so that they go and make a seal around the top of bowls. So I can squish that in further, like that. What will happen is that it will harden in the fridge. So, lovely, pretty thing. This is an apple I put in 2 days ago. So let's see how that looks. See, this wrap is a little bit too big for an apple, but let's see how we go. Looks alright, nice and squishy, crunchy, all good, like it. So that's it, BeeBee Wraps, and they have got, they're organic cotton food wraps infused with beeswax, jojoba oil, don't know if that's how you say it, and tree resin. Right, on my website I've got instructions on how to make these, but I've never used jojoba oil or tree resin. I've only ever done them with the beeswax. They work really well, but mine start cracking. These, I think they've really worked on the formula for these, because there's no cracking going on there, and they feel that they've got a bit more stick to them, mine. So mine are great if you want to make a present for someone, you want to do it real quick, but if you want to buy a present for someone, I'd probably go for something a little bit more superior and get something like this. They haven't paid me to say this. I think these are beautiful things. They've given me these to review, but I haven't had any payment to say nice things about the BeeBee Wraps. That's it. I'm going to eat my apple now. Bye.